This teriyaki chicken is quick, easy, and packed with flavor. Juicy chicken bites, tossed in a homemade teriyaki sauce that's sweet, savory, and perfectly balanced. Ready in no time and even better than takeout. Now, let's get cooking. If this recipe makes you hungry for more, subscribe for the next one.